If RuneScape, Dragonwilds is crashing or not launching on your PC, here are 6 simple steps to fix it. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Verify integrity of game. Files 1. Open Steam. 2. Go to your library and right-click on RuneScape Dragonwilds. 3. Select Properties, then go to Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 5. Wait for Steam to complete the check and fix any broken files. Step 2. Update your graphics drivers. 1. Visit the NVIDIA or AMD official website, depending on your GPU. 2. Download the latest driver for your graphics card. 3. Install it manually. Don't rely on Windows Update. 4. Restart your PC after installation. Step 3. Disable frame generation and use launch options. 1. Go to your game's config folder. 2. Open the config file and set B-frame generation equals false. 3. In Steam, right-click the game. Properties, General. 4. Under Launch Options, try entering -Vulkan, -DX11, or -DX12 one at a time to test different graphics modes. Step 4. Delete or rename config and save game files 1. Navigate to the config folder again. 2. Delete or rename the config files to reset game settings. 3. If it still crashes, try renaming or deleting your save game files. 4. Warning: this will reset your game progress, so back up if needed. Step 5. Run as administrator and adjust compatibility settings. 1. Right-click the RuneScape game shortcut or .exe file. 2. Select Properties, then go to the Compatibility tab. 3. Check Run this program as an administrator. 4. Enable compatibility mode for Windows 7 or Windows 8. 5. Also check Disable full screen optimizations. 6. Click Apply, then OK. Step 6. Update BIOS and install Visual C++ Redistributables 1. Go to your motherboard manufacturer's website and download the latest BIOS update. 2. Follow their instructions to update safely. 3. Then visit Microsoft's website and download the latest Visual C++ Redistributables, both x64 and x86. Also ensure DirectX 11 or 12 is installed. 5. Restart your PC after updates.